Welcome back to my channel, Hot Wheels Collectors. I'm Stick Shift Hot Wheels, and today we are doing a mass unboxing, as you can see, of the 1992 Hot Wheels Reviewer series. And these cars came in a yellow baggie with a number here. And so you couldn't see what the car was, and you couldn't see what the color of the car was. Each car came in 3 colors. And then once you opened it, you recorded what number each car was on this little sheet here so that you knew. The Lamborghini Countach is car number 7, and it comes in 3 colors. Here's the silver, here's the fluorescent red, and it comes in fluorescent white. All 3 cars have the same Tampo graphics, which means they make a nice collection when you have them all together. And the Countach and the Testarossa are 2 of the most desirable castings in this series. And the reviewers, what's cool about them is they feature fluorescent paintwork normally. The silver's not fluorescent, but normally there's fluorescent paintwork, as you see here. And that's oh so 90s. I mean, fluorescent paintwork was all over the late 80s, early 90s, about 5 years. It was everywhere. People had jackets. People had binders. I mean, it was just everywhere. It was a phenomenon. So to me, as a child of the late 80s, this is a definitely more of these. It's definitely a near and dear to my heart thing that Hot Wheels did. A little bit of cardboard dust on the tampos. Just do a quick little wipe off. Oh yeah. And the base is painted. Oh, okay. The base isn't painted. It just looks like it is because it's bare metal there. Anyways, metallic silver. The Ultra Hots are painted fluorescent yellow or lime greenish, and this features the gold coin Tampo. Money, money, money! And the car's near mint condition. I would say it's darn near mint. I mean, I don't know if the black Tampo is supposed to be brighter. The one on the other car looks a little bit nicer condition. But, oh yeah, that is so sick. So sick. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Hot Wheels Reviewers Lamborghini Countach in silver. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch my other short unboxings. I'll see you at the next one.